Today we have to fix a flat on our wood splitter. Taking it over a dirt road caused the tubeless tire to come off its rim, and you can't squeeze it to put the air nozzle on and get air to stay in it. So I called my brother Mike, and he said to put a strap around it, cinch the strap, that pushes the tire to fit better on the rim. So that's what we're going to try. Alright, so let's see what happens. Not bad, close. He also said to take off the stem valve to get air in faster. I don't have a stem valve remover, but maybe in my little tickle trunk of brass parts there might be something here. Oh, too big. Ooh, that might do. Let's try this. Alright, so that goes in there. But I know stem valve removers have like a slot cut in them like that to fit over the stop. So we're gonna put this on a vise. Maybe I can get it started with this. Don't know if that's not going to be enough. Let's find out. Just needs to be a little wider, I think. do it. Yeah, so it fits. Going to take a little bit more off of that to get a good snug fit for that valve stem, so that when I need to go put it back in, it'll go in right quick. Let's get some air in that tire. I think that might have worked. And we're done. Perfect. Thanks to Brother Mike for getting this splitter back on the road. My clamps away. I always like to roll up my clamps because it gives me time to inspect them, make sure that there's no frays or breaks, and it looks like the strap is at the end of its life. It's about half cut through there, so keep this one just for light duty work, not for strapping anything down. Important, like on the back of a trailer or back of a truck or on top of your vehicle. But good enough for jobs like this. Alright, so put a cover. Always helps to have a couple of spares covers hanging around.